Alright guys, this is my outfit. I decided to change because I felt like I was doing too much, especially to walk around the city. I don't want to look too over the top, you know what I'm saying? So, the dress is from TJ Maxx, Headband Beauty Squad, and I don't know where I got this watch. So, yeah. But, follow me to come. So, change of plans. Looks like we're locked in. Yes, I said locked in the Airbnb. I do not know how to like open it. I guess like there's a lock on the inside. We're trying to get out through the patio, but the patio is bolted or something. So yeah.
When are you leaving? You just have to unlock it.
I know, we have to wait till they come all the way back here to unlock it. Like, anybody ever been to Colombia? Like, why do you have locks on the inside of the house? Like this. Like, it looks like you need a key to unlock it. I can't turn this any other way. I can't. The only way this turns is to the left. Oh. Alright guys, we finally are able to get out the house. My brother and I'm jaywalking. Getting into the yeah. Bye. So that was it Patita Negra? Yeah. A little cafe my sister thought of doing. Apparently you don't want to be in the vlog, right?
No.
Oh, okay, got it. So now, then now we're gonna go try and find some places to shop. But that place was really good. Nice little cafe on a residential street. But I think that it's pretty cute. We have no idea where we're going. We're just walking.
We do?
I left the bear in charge of the navigation. We made it. We made it.
This probably ever.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Guys, I just paid $15, 15 American dollars, trying to get a gift from my mom. It's a beautiful little bracelet, but this little bracelet. Dang, you've officially been hustled. Alright guys, this is the restaurant. This is my third time doing this. This is the restaurant that we're supposed to be meeting at, Guzman y Mascara or something like that. It's not 5 o'clock yet, but we just got here a little bit early. Yeah, me and my sister are kind of tired. Like, we low-key need a nap. But this area is giving like party vibes. Like, this is where you go party, drink, and then you can eat. You know, so a very nice area.
Wow, 50 pesos. 50 pesos. Sí.
¿Tarjeta?
También.
Okay.
Wow.
How much is it? ¿Cuántos?
150 pesos.
150 pesos.
Sí,
What's 150?
Pesos.
What's 150 pesos? $40? You don't want to get those? No. Juwan, Tabitha. See it? Hey. It's a video.